Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Hey, dude. Can I come in? Leave it open? Okay. Right there's black handle. There you go. So it's louder with you loading off of that door. Oh, okay. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here like I don't know? Go ahead, man.
It's Frankie. It's 4 Avatar STU 15s on 2 Crescendo 8Ks.
Okay, nice. Are they strapped or game matched?
They're game matched.
Okay.
It's 8K per pair.
Okay. I like that you have a little extra room on your B pillar here.
Yeah.
Correct. And it's a 6th order. Very nice.
Yep.
Okay. Do you know what is the tuning on it?
The front port is 28 and the rear I think is 32.
32? Okay.
It's not bad considering I still
This
got
is really
sunroof and everything. It's not
Really?
one roof,
That's the sunroof too? Oh, I was wondering what was
That's what that
slapping.
noise is. Yeah.
Okay.
It's the sunroof popping out.
Nice. So you're gonna put like a wood
Yeah,
platform?
I'm gonna wood roof it and then I'm gonna support the baffle because it's flexible.
Moving too? Okay. Nice.
So
Wow.
it's still a work in progress.
Oh yeah, that's the base head life, man. Nice. What's your alternator battery power?
It's a 90 amp hour C-Max and then I got one single 370.
Nice. And you're
Frankie.
Frankie on Team Hurts Feelings. All right, I like your shirt.
I
Awesome.
appreciate it, man.
Either way it go, I die for this shit. What's that? Oh, it's a 9 to 5 on my wrist. I can't call it life if I can't never take risks. I can't break bread with niggas I don't fuck with. Either way, I'm blowing out like I used to. Blue strips don't glue to. Can't hear nothing. This ain't the life that I'm used to. Yeah, but I can't do something. Yeah, but I can't do. But I can't do it. When they see me, I ain't mad about it. I can't fake a smile. Please believe me, I'm the one that got the key. Find a lock, so them break it. It's amazing how I got these niggas hate.
J Rusticles.
Oh man, check it out. BKs did that. Third being still black.
Side of the passenger with that door loading off of it. Nice.
It's not bad.
This is really
sunroof and everything. It's not
really.
sunroof,
That's the sunroof too. Oh, I was wondering what was
that
that.
noise is. Yeah.
Okay.
It's the sunroof.
Nice. So you're gonna put like a wood
Yeah,
platform?
I'm gonna wood roof it and then I'm gonna support the baffle because it's flexible.
Moving too. Okay. Nice.
So,
wow.
it's still a work in progress.
Oh yeah, that's the base head life, man. Nice. What's your alternator battery power?
It's a 90 amp hour C-Max and then I got one single 370.
And you're Frankie on Team Hurts Felons. All right, I like your shirt. Awesome.
Appreciate it, man.
You have a good day, man. Appreciate the
you
demo.
too, man.
Stay cool.